Hi, this is Pete from Paddock. Today I'm just going to do a very quick demonstration on how to use scenarios in your client file to quickly plan for next year. Then I'm going to have a look at that information in the reports. So I'm already in my client file. I've got a preloaded scenario file with all of my different scenario types loaded into it. I'm going to do some planning for 2022 in my Kirk's farm. So I've selected this paddock. I'll just come up to the top of the scenario manager here and I'll view what's in my currently selected scenario. So I'll click view selected scenario and you can see here this is my apples 2021 plan. So it's got all of my seeding types, fertilizer, chemicals, operations and some production information as well. So I'm going to drop this scenario into this paddock. So I'll make sure it's selected in the drop down menu, then click add selected scenario to paddock. Press yes, and you can see now it's dropped all of that previously edited information into this paddock. So I've got my seeding, crop type and variety, soil health information. There's a couple of spray mixes there, an operation, and some production information. I'm going to go to paddock 34 now and apply a different scenario for this paddock. So let's have a look at canola. Select canola 2021, click view selected scenario. You can see it's got some different information compared to the apples, which is correct. And I'll go back to the page, click load, click add scenario to selected paddock. Press yes again. You can see now it's actually applied all that information to my paddock again. So I've got the crop type, variety, fertilizer, sprays. So now I just want to see that information that I've entered into my paddocks in my reports. So I'll go to reports, wait till the page loads, and then I'm going to click on General Report. So this is the full report type that Advisor offers. This will include every piece of information that you've put into your management zones for the planning 2022 season. You can see here I started with my rotation summary. I'm going to scroll down to those two paddocks that I entered information into before. So I use the drop down menus on the left here to go into my paddock summaries, into my farm, click on that paddock. Then you can see that's the information that I used from my scenario. And then paddock 34 again. That should be correct with the information from that previously graded scenario. We'll just have a quick look at the short plan report. I'll just scroll down into my farm and paddock here. You can see here it's got a image of my paddocks, my paddock boundaries for this paddock, and then it has all the information such as the seeding, crop type and varieties that I applied this year. It has information on the previous use, it has information on the fertilizers that I've applied, the chemicals, and then again it has the next paddock down on that list as well. If you have any questions about this process, please call us on 07 3220 2959, email support@backpaddock.com.au, or use the chat function on our website. Thank you.